How to send your Amazon customers an invoice for their purchase. Whether or not you're charging tax, Amazon suggests that you send each of your customers an invoice for each of their purchase. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an invoice and how to send it to your Amazon customers. We're going to discuss and learn all of this. Let's get started. Hey everyone, my name is Oren and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in learning more about online businesses and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. We are jumping right into the tutorial. So usually sellers will send out an invoice to a customer if they request it, but Amazon clearly suggests that you send out an invoice to each of your customer after they make a purchase from you. We are going to head to this website called invoice-generator.com. There are many other websites, but this one's simple. I like it and it does the job. Sorry guys, I have a very bad cold from all of the traveling past week, so please ignore my broken voice. So this is the invoice template. You can add your company logo there if you have one, and then all these other details. I'm gonna walk you guys through the entire template and we're gonna fill this together. So here's the date, payment terms, due date, PO number, and then down here are all the details of your product, and then of course on top you have to add who is it getting shipped to. But for now, this is how it looks. It's super simple, it's very easy. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit, but let's jump back into our Seller Central dashboard. So once you're logged into your Seller Central dashboard, you're gonna go to menu and then orders and manage orders, and that'll get us to our manage orders page. This is the page where you can see all your orders, your pending orders, your canceled orders, all orders. So here are some orders from the last few days, and so let's just pick one customer and send them an invoice. So this is an order from this customer. That's the order number, and this is the name of the customer. We're going to click on the order number, and then that'll bring us to this page. This will have all of the information. It'll say when this order was placed and then when is it due, and you can also find the ship to address. So these are the information mainly that we need for our invoice, and we're gonna add all of this information on there. Okay, let's start by adding a logo to our invoice. It looks more professional and put together. You should definitely add one. This is who is it from, so this would be from you, and so this will be your company name. For example, it's Hydro Goods LLC and the brand, for example, is Hydro. So I'm gonna put that here. All right, so the next one is bill to, and then there is also ship to. So bill to and ship to could be the same, and this will be your customer's name and their address. So I'm just gonna put all of that here and then just copy paste it to the ship to. So this is your order number, and so this will be your invoice number as well. So I've added a number here. So for example, this was my order number, so this would be here, and then the PO number will also be the same as the invoice number. Next is the date. Date will be the date they have placed the order, so you'll get all the information here. The order was placed on 1st August, so that's the date that's gonna go there, and due date was 2nd August, so that's what's gonna go there. And then for the payment terms, it's just gonna be Amazon. That's all. So this was the first part, but before we move into the second part, we have to make sure that we have changed to our currency. So for me, it's gonna be AED because I am in the UAE. So I'm gonna select that. All right, so next is description, and this is simply gonna be whatever you're calling your product, whatever you have listed it as on Amazon, you can just simply put that. So I'm just gonna call it a Hydro water bottle, and then we're gonna add the quantity, and for example it's 40 AEDs, so we're gonna put that. Now something very important is this balance due right at the bottom has to be 0.00. This should be 0 because customers are usually already paying in advance. So in the amount paid box, put the rate again, and then that'll make the balance due 0. If there are any discounts or any other kind of rates, then you can add that there and it'll give you the correct rate. But make sure that the balance is 0, because if a customer receives an invoice which would ask them to pay more money, that'll be very messy. This is just a paid invoice that you're sending your customer because they have requested for it or Amazon has asked you to send it. Do a final check and then you can go ahead and click on download. Once it's downloaded, this is how it's gonna look. Your balance due right there on top shows 00, so this is another place where you can check, but this is basically your invoice and it's ready. Now we are going to head back to our manage orders page, and from here now we're going to click on the name of the customer. So once we click this, it'll bring us to this page. This is the contact buyer page, and it has all of these bunch of options. So here all you're going to do is click on send invoice, and then that will give you this section to add your attachment. So from here we're going to upload our invoice, and then once it's uploaded you'll find this automated message from your brand going to the customer. And if everything looks okay, then all you have to do is click on send, and the invoice will be sent to your customer. And that's basically how you send an invoice to your customer. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.